What's up, team Fullest? This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click up my channel. So today I'm here to show you guys how I do my foundation routine, because I always get questions like, how does your makeup look so flawless, your skin looks so flawless when you have foundation? I have been doing this for so long time. You guys have noticed what my secret is, but I feel like you guys are still not noticed. So I'm going to share with you guys what I do, because in every tutorial I literally tell you guys what my secret is, that my makeup looks so flawless underneath the foundation and everything, but you guys have not been paying attention. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. First of all, you guys know my skin is not perfect. I do have discoloration. My face is my skin tone is something else. You have some light places, some part are light, some part are dark. The center of my face is light, around is dark, my neck is dark, the rest of my body is light. It's like that's how it is. Like you have light, dark. So, and I do have allergic problem around my mouth, so that's where I normally break out, but now it's getting better. It's really better. So yeah, even when I have allergic around my mouth, I still put on my makeup still looks very flawless. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. I have an oily combination dry skin, dryness around here because I do always break out around here. Now it's getting better, and oily, like it's cuts like this, like this is where the oiliness is and this is where the dryness is. So what I normally do, I use face primer. I use an SPF face primer. It doesn't matter if I'm doing makeup or not, I always make sure I have my SPF face primer. I prime my face every morning with that. I first use vitamin E oil to prime my face, to moisturize my face, and then I go in with my SPF face primer. If I'm not having makeup on that day, I just get out of the house like that. But if I'm having makeup on that day, after I've used my oil to moisturize, I use my face primer, and then I can use any primer here I want to, makeup primer. Most of the times I don't like to use makeup primer. What I do, I take my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray, I spray my face. I have just done that. I spray my face. You just take it, shake it. Anytime you want to use this, make sure you shake it. You go I spray my face with that, let it to sink in, and then we're going to start with the foundation. But before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this. I'll definitely be back to show you guys my skincare routine, which is very simple and all natural. So now that I've seen all that, I have primed my face. I've done my vitamin E oil on my face. I use my SPF sun protective primer on my face, and I have used the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Spray to spray my face. So now all is done. What I like to do, you can color correct. Normally I don't like to color correct, but because I have been picking around my nose, so I like to go in with an orange concealer from LIPGLOSS. You guys can see I'm almost out of this. Just take a little. You don't want to take too much around my mouth. I just do around here, like around this side of my face, a little bit here, and then this is how everything is looking like. Now what I'm doing, I'm gonna take my brush. I have this really small brush. What I like to do, I just like to bounce the product into the skin. I don't blend it, you just bounce into the skin. And you don't want to take a lot of concealer, a lot of orange concealer, because if you put too much of orange concealer, color corrector on your face, you're gonna see through the foundation, and you don't want to have that. So I'm just going to blend this, blend, press it into the skin. So now that we've pressed everything into the skin, we're gonna do the nose also, around the nose, because I don't have like blackhead, but I have like those yellow buttery kind of things on my nose, because I always pick my nose, and my nose side is always red or black because I'm always picking it. So you're just gonna like bounce the product in. I don't like to excuse the noise of the kit if you guys can hear that. I don't like to conceal color correct underneath my eyes because my eyes is not that dark. Underneath my eyes is very light because I use my vitamin E oil every night, or coconut oil, to moisturize underneath my eyes before bed. So my under eyes is not dark. I haven't done anything, so it's pretty light, and I'm happy that I don't have that dark under eye like some other no shade. So now after I'm done that, I'm going to take my foundation brush. The secret is liquid illuminators. I always like to use liquid illuminators underneath my foundation. It makes your foundation looks really nice. It gives you this really dewy finish foundation, especially when you have dry skin. It's not like super dewy, it's not like super dry, it's just in between. That's for me, that's the result I get. So my foundation looks really nice throughout the day. Doesn't matter how long I have the foundation on, it looks really nice throughout the day. So today we're going to take this Jeffree Star frosting liquid highlighter. I have a bunch of liquid highlighters. I do have a bunch of liquid highlighters. I love liquid highlighters. I am liquid highlighter obsessed. The ones that I can afford, not the ones that I can afford. If I can't afford it, I just leave it. I go out for the ones that I can afford. So I picked this up, and this is in Goddess. This is a very beautiful highlighter. I really like it. So you're going to take your highlight. A little bit of this go a long way. What I like about this highlight, it gives you like this really nice glittering, sparkling, like underneath your skin. It's very beautiful. Like when you have this on and you're ready to go to the club at night, trust me, your makeup is going, people are going to look at you like, what the hell do you have on your face? Not like that, but like meaning is very beautiful. Okay, a little bit like that go a long way, and you're just gonna blend this into your skin. I just like to first take it and dump it all over the face, and then now it's time to blend it. Just like blend it into the skin. It is super. You can also use this to highlight after done with your makeup, but I like to use it to underneath my foundation. Please excuse my kid, they are shouting downstairs. Everybody's home. We're about to go out, so the kids are all downstairs waiting for me. Everybody's waiting for me, though we still have some time, but I need to get myself ready. So they are really shouting. You guys love the talk through video, so that's why I can't make like voiceover, because if it depends on me, I'll just make voiceover. Like if I can make voiceover, I'll literally make a lot of videos for you guys. But sometimes you guys want the talk through, because sometimes the kids, they make noise too much. They make really. So now that I have done with the liquid illuminator, can you guys see already how my skin look? I don't know, I will take a screenshot on the camera and put like a picture of me here when I have no liquid illuminator on. Maybe I'll put a picture here when I have no liquid illuminator on, so you guys can see the difference. You guys can see how my skin look flawless already with the liquid illuminator. This is what I'm talking about. It looks really nice, and I love it. So now for foundation, I have a bunch of foundation, but today I'm going to use this L'Oreal Invaluable foundation in 380. This is the foundation that actually matches my neck. It's a little bit too dark for the center of my face, but it matches my neck pretty nice. I really love it. When I want to wear clothes that shows my neck like this, I like to put on this foundation because it matches my neck perfect. So that's why we're going to use this foundation today. So first you're going to shake. Always shake your foundation before using. Do not use, every time I'm doing makeup tutorial, I always shake my foundation, my highlighter, my setting spray. I always shake them, put them down before ever I'm about to use it. So now I'm just going to take the foundation. I'm going to first take 2 pump because a little bit go a long way, and I'm just going to dab into the skin. Press. I'm just gonna press it into the skin, And if you want to have like a flawless foundation, you don't want to have like a lot of foundation. But when you put too much foundation on your skin, your face is going to look very cakey. It's not going to look nice. It's going to look very, very cakey. It's going to make your foundation looks very heavy on your face. So you just want to go light with the foundation. Just take little by little, and if you need more, you build your way up. I'm not really into like full coverage foundation. I love my foundation for you to be able to see my skin. I don't like the foundation to feel heavy on my skin. I like when the foundation feel really natural and really light on my face. So I don't really go in for like a heavy foundation, like a full coverage foundation. So just gonna take a little bit, just a half a pump, trying to blend the forehead. My forehead is dark, so I don't really like to go in with a lot of foundation. It's like, and I don't want to mess up this baby hair. So put that on the eyes, just so that everything looks beautiful, match, everything looks really nice. So you guys can see the foundation really matches my neck. You guys can see how it matches my neck very perfectly. So just gonna put that, blend everything, forehead, hairline, everything is blend. So that is like 2.5 pump for the entire face. Oh, my kids are making noise downstairs. Please excuse more if you guys can hear that. They're so making noise. So now this is it. This is how my foundation look. This is the foundation. You guys can see how it looks. It looks very flawless, and this foundation matches my neck perfectly. It looks very, very beautiful. So this is my foundation routine. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. That is how I do my foundation. You can definitely try this if you like it. If you try this and you like it, let me know in the comment box. I really, really appreciate it. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Stay tuned. What's up, beauties? So this is the finished result. I'm done with my makeup. Tell me what you guys think of my foundation routine. I really, really love it. I'm done with my makeup. I just did a highlight and contour tutorial for you guys, so you guys are gonna see this face in 3 videos. So I hope you all like this makeup. I really, really love it. Everything is looking very beautiful. I'm looking very snatched. My foundation routine is very, very simple. Tell me what do you guys think. I would love to know your foundation routine. Also let me know what's your foundation routine and what's your step when you apply your foundation. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you guys do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Vergeet me niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina. Alle links is beneden in de description box. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is again Emmy. Doeg. Bye.